PayPal Credit is a buy now, pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them over time. Here's how it works. Apply for PayPal Credit. First, you need to apply for PayPal Credit through your PayPal account. During the application process, PayPal will check your credit history. If approved, you will be given a credit line that you can use for purchases. Make a purchase. Once approved, you can use PayPal Credit as a payment method at checkout, wherever PayPal is accepted. Instead of paying for the purchase upfront, you will have the option to charge it to your PayPal Credit balance. Pay over time. You can choose to pay off your balance over time. PayPal Credit offers flexible payment plans, including options like 6 months or 12 months to pay, depending on the merchant and the purchase amount. No interest will be charged if the balance is paid in full within the promotional period. Interest charges. If you don't pay off the balance within the promotional period, interest is charged at a standard APR, which can vary. Managing payments. You can manage payments, see your balance, and make payments via your PayPal account or PayPal Credit app.